Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is do a quick little tutorial and also go over a article of the DEGA Element NFTs. So the DEGA Elements Collection, Elements NFT Utility, that's going to be the article. But first, let's start off with the fact that you can claim your NFTs. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe, and say hello to the Moose. The Moose has been lonely for months at a time, and nobody's commenting in the comment section going like, Moose, how are you doing? Like, Moose, I miss you. So it'd be nice to hear from you guys. I'm actually not sad. Yeah, I have to intrigue you guys to comment somehow. But honestly, ask some questions. Let me know if this video helped you out at all. So I already pre-recorded this video a bit in terms of screen recording because I was eager and I wanted to test it out, make sure it worked. But it did. So let's get into what we're talking about here. So we are going over the DEGA Elements NFT. So I'm going to go to the wallet that I've been using. So specifically, if you are someone that minted the pre-mint pass and you noticed in your airdrop section where you can claim your NFT, that's what we're doing. So mine is this wallet. So we're going to paste our wallet address. And I'm going to show you how to view and get your Supernova NFTs. So depending on which rewards you got for it, this is what we're going to do. So here you can see we've got the Supernova Blessing. That's going to allow us to claim some tokens later on. It could be an airdrop, I'm not sure. But definitely cool. So the Moose has two of these, so hopefully these will, help me, I don't know, maybe buy like a Lamborghini. So comment down below, should the Moose buy a Lamborghini or should he be responsible with his money? I don't think he should. So what we're going to do is go to the link tree. Guys, use the link tree. This will not only be an affiliate for the channel, but this is where you can migrate your PMP, etc. So what I did is I connected my wallet. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Connect your wallet. Here we're using a hot wallet. And under airdrop, what you're going to notice is that your NFT will be here. So I've already pre-recorded the video because I've already claimed mine. So what you're going to do very simply is you are going to go to airdrop and you are going to claim your NFT. Once you do that, you're going to sign a transaction. So make sure with your wallet, you have a little bit of extra ADA. Make sure to set collateral if you're using NAMI. And yeah, make sure you have a good internet connection, troubleshoot. And then if you go to My Assets, you will see your assets over here. So the rewards are quite generous and you will see in your wallet, you can also go to your wallet and you can go to receiving, copy, paste, and you're going to paste your wallet address under pool.pm. This will give you a visual representation of what's in your wallet. Here's some snack. The Moose got loose on some snack. This is just my little fun wallet here. So comment down below if that helped you. Very simple, very easy to do, and I think it's great that we can already claim those NFTs, and the rewards are great. So in fact, maybe we'll even go over that as well. So shout out to the DEGA team. I haven't done an update, so once we go over that, then I'll also get into this article. We'll talk about the utility, what you can do with those. There's also the ISPO, so maybe we'll dive into that as well. So let's take a look again here. If you guys want, you can go to Elements, pick one up if you missed out, if that's something that you want as well. So taking a look here, we've got our realms and then stackable bonus. But what is really interesting is if we go to Elements, we can view the details. And under details, if we zoom in here, just by us getting that pre-mint pass, we were able to get into the golden value. So we got a $50 value, plus we got Supernova. Okay, so we are going to get 146,000 DEGA tokens per NFT. So that's what it's going to equate to. So again, taking a look here, it should say claimable, true, So we're golden, and yeah, it's all done with the metadata and whatnot. So what can you do with these NFTs? Why would you want a pre-mint pass? And again, I do recommend that you get into the Meld ISPO. So with Meld, you can delegate or stake. Sorry, you can stake your Meld. So use my link, go to meld.com. I have tutorials on this, so check it out under the channel. You guys can very easily stake your Meld and earn some DEGA. So there's a DEGA ISPO currently going on right now, and I recommend that you guys use the links for that. So let's get into this article a little bit. So this is my first time really diving into it. I figured it'd be fun if we both kind of went over this together. So DEGA's got a lot of partnerships with Kopi, and I think it's going to be cool going forward seeing what they're doing. So the DEGA Elements Collection Elements Utility, that's what we're going to go over. So attached to every NFT in any blockchain-based system, there's what's called metadata. So think of metadata as an NFT like a post-it note that you can slap on the NFT to describe something about it or something that can do. So that's what's cool about NFTs, right? Non-fungible tokens. It's a specific asset ID number represented on the blockchain. It's what helps you identify what it is you have, and it's also what makes it unique. So looking at this, NFT metadata is where we apply a ton of creativity. So not many projects, let's have NFT. So here, this is where we can add metadata. So, you have your OGs to stack up DEGA in a major way. So for example, the fact that we were able to claim our NFT pre-mint pass, we're now eligible to utilize that NFT and claim tokens later on in a pretty cool way. So these are tradable as well. So here's the class. You got bronze, iron, silver, golden. So we got the golden. There's obsidian, diamond, and wood. I don't know why wood would be rarer than diamond, but it's just the way it is. So blessing. The blessing is applied at the time of the mint by chance. This metadata gives your element additional powers. In the case you are all familiar with it describes how much DEGA tokens bonus you get. So with the metadata, let's look at the ones we just claimed. This is the golden one, and with this metadata, it does say title, DEGA Elements metadata. So Golden Supernova, that's the title of it. If we go back, I know I'm going back and forth here a lot, but let's go back to the link. Basically, we're eligible because of the metadata. We will be able to claim specific amounts of DEGA tokens. So we're very early on this project. So if we go to My Assets, we can view it a little bit better here. Class Golden, we have a Blessing Supernova. Okay, so the rewards with Blessing is 146,000. Okay, so we bumped up from 29 to that amount. So view details. This can all be found at realms.degaplatform.com. Okay, so Golden Supernova, that's just a little bit of visuals there for you to show you what you're getting for that. So I found this on Twitter, so I recommend you guys follow DEGA on Twitter. It is going to be at DEGA_org. So that's where you're going to find that, okay? So really cool. You got Hunter, you've got Unity, you got Spark, Burst, Force. We've got number 6, Supernova, Moose getting loose twice. So I think it's really cool. I just think it's been fun. And that's what getting into ISPO's initial stake pool offerings is all about. Getting into those pre-mint passes, getting in early. That's where you get the benefit. And that's where crypto is exciting. Comment down below if this is something that you've been able to claim yourself because of the Moose. So just with the list above, we have 49 different combinations of classes and blessings. There's already a lot. Really cool. So utility brainstorm. We want to get this right out in front. So we're about to share the possibilities of future. Let's get into some of this. So DEGA token rewards. The blessing determines a token's bonus reward associated with the DEGA community program. So we went over that, right? So the DEGA token rewards, that's with the blessing. That was the amount that we're getting. So basically when you mint, you're going to be able to either get a type of blessing or not. Hopefully you guys are blessed. So it's kind of cool. Discounts on purchases in the DEGA ecosystem. The blessing determines a discount percentage when making a purchase in the ecosystem. So really cool. I'm curious to see how that is going forward. DEGA partner airdrops. Holding, assigning, or burning a single element or a combination of element classes blessings will grant you a DEGA partner airdrop reward. Really cool. So I could see that going well for the Moose going forward. Crafting. Combining burning elements in certain class blessing combinations yield unique items. Really cool. Activating new DEGA ecosystem digital assets. Some features of the DEGA ecosystems will only be unlockable with certain class blessing combinations. Free in-game asset drops. So holding, assigning, or burning a single element or a combination of element classes blessings will grant you in-game, in-ecosystem asset drops. Really cool. DEGA staking reward bonus. I love staking. You guys know that. The blessing determines a yield bonus reward when staking in the DEGA ecosystem. So staking will eventually be here. And I think it's great. So getting in early, getting in now. Again, guys, head over to the link tree if you missed out. This is your opportunity, not financial advice, but click on DEGA, get to the proper links, pick up a Realms NFT if you missed one, if you missed out. Hopefully you guys can comment down below which one you've been blessed with already. Okay. Access pass. So there's quite a few things here. Holding, assigning, or burning a single element or a combination of element classes blessings will grant you access to events or games built in the DEGA ecosystem. So really, when it comes down to NFTs, it's really showing, it's providing a lot of value in the community sense. That's why I like it. Again, guys, I have my Loose Moose NFTs. If you are someone who meets me at a future event and you own a Loose Moose, like, I'm going to appreciate that, right? And those are cheap. These are very affordable right now, so very cool. In-game power-ups, DEGA Realm, so holding, assigning, elements, combination of classes, blessings can power up assets in DEGA Realm. So going forward, there's a lot of benefits. And yeah, like there's so much to talk about. Follow these guys on Twitter, follow it on Telegram, Discord, and the website. The website's phenomenal. DEGA's just got these tools to help build metaverse Web3 projects. And yeah, like I cannot say enough good things about it. Even just going on Twitter, there's a lot happening, building your own games. And I think this is going to be really cool. And it's not just Cardano. There's so much happening. There's so much happening that I'm going to have to get into. So guys, check it out for yourself. That's about all we have for you in this video. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.